Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to use the record on your earbuds XIAOMI Buds 5 Pro. So basically we have a few options how to use it. The first one, we can use it when your earbuds inside the charging case, and if the lid is open you can also close it, let's close it. So at the bottom we have a connection button. You need to press 3 times, 1, 2, 3, and now as you can see this light blinking green. Excellent. Now it starts to recording. To finish recording you need to press 3 times at the connection button, or you can open the charging case and remove your earbuds. Yes, you can recording when your charging case is closed. Now 1, 2, 3, and I'm just stop. Next we can also use a gesture to recording, but we need to add it. Open XIAOMI Earbuds application, and now if you add your earbuds to the application you will see the same menu. Now it should be connected. Here we go. Right here we have recordings. So firstly I will show it to you. As you can see right here we have this recording, but my headphones was inside the charging case and the case was closed. So it should be turned off, but no, we can use it. So now let's move from the main menu right here to the gesture, and you need to add a gesture. So you cannot add it for the single press, but you cannot for the double press, triple press, or press and hold. It's up to you. And I'm going to add it for the press and hold. Click on it for the left or right earbud, it's the same, and then click at the record audio. Here we go. Now let's move to the recording, and I will show it to you that it works. I put it to my ear. Oh no, the touch area is located right here. At the left earbud is located at the left side, at the right earbud is located at the right side. Now I am going to press and hold on my left touch area. And now also I hear a voice prompt that it starts recording, and as you can see now it's recording. To stop this recording you need to also press and hold at your left earbud. Here we go. And also I hear a voice prompt that it's stopped recording. Also we can use an application. Right here we have a button for it, so if you don't want to use a gesture or touch or triple press at your touch connection button, sorry, you can use an application. Right here we have an icon for it with a microphone. You just click on it, and as you can see it also starts recording, but you cannot use it if you close the charging case. As you can see it stopped Bluetooth connection. Now when you recording something, we need to export it to the phone to listen it, because right here we cannot use it. And to do this, so when you open a recording you are in the earphones, and right here we have say all to phone, and we need to click on it. Now you need to wait just a bit. And now click at the phone, and right here we have these 3 recordings. So you can listen it, or you can also remove it by click at the trash icon and delete. And you can share this by click at the share icon here. Now you need to select where, and that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!